All right, welcome back to Dash for Adventure. Today we're in Meridian, Mississippi. We're going to go check out a functioning train depot. I know normally the train depots that we visit are museums, but today we're going to see one that's still functioning, as well as the oldest restaurant in Mississippi. Hang out and see more. We're in Meridian, Mississippi at the Meridian station. This is a pretty large train depot, and it's currently home to Amtrak and Greyhound bus lines. Back in the mid-90s, they invested over $6 million to bring this facility up to speed with modern facilities. Let's go check it out. Is it a carousel horse or is it a train horse? Meridian, Mississippi is also home to one of the Denzel carousels from 1905, I think it is. Have to look that up to make sure. This is a very nice facility. There it is, Union Station, here in Meridian, Mississippi. It's also called the Multimodal Transportation Center. And we are here. So we could catch the Crescent here. It does not go towards Chattanooga though. So they have buses that come through and pick you up here. And then you can cross the street here. Over there is where they do the connections with the trains. And they've got 4 platforms over there. Now there's only one Amtrak line that runs through this town. It's the Crescent. And I think it runs twice a day. Absolutely beautiful depot. This one is not a museum. This is an actual functioning depot. Here comes an Amtrak charter bus. Wow. Wow. So the gentleman at Amtrak was telling us that we could do round trip to New York from here in the largest room on the train with a shower and a bed and everything for $1,600. That's not bad. 30 hours up, 30 hours down. That's a cool place. So yeah, we spent a good deal of time talking to the Amtrak guy, and he was telling us all about it, the benefits to booking ADA rooms, the best way to get the biggest room. There's the former Union Hotel, right across the street from the depot.
The picture on the wall over there is of the circus coming to town, and either unloading or loading the train at the Union Station that we were just at.
Wow. There's some beautiful art here.
Absolutely gorgeous art.
I think we're the only ones in the dining room right now.
We are.
Oh, wow. That's a beautiful sunset painting. That one up there is a bit cheeky. Oh, it is. It's the Barnum and Bailey Circus. Check that out. And of course, Sea Rock City. So apparently Weidmann's was established in 1870 by Felix Weidmann, a Swiss immigrant who was a chef on a transatlantic steamship. But the restaurant was originally located in the Union Hotel. That's cool. We just passed by the hotel. Oh, that looks delicious. Look at this Reuben sandwich. That looks delicious. So originally it was located in the Union Hotel, which we just showed in 1923. The restaurant moved here by the grandson of the founder. Wow.
Oh my goodness. This is their muffaletta. Muffaletta. If you know the exact way to say it, please leave that in the comments for me. But I have had 4 this trip. This happens to be my favorite sandwich of all time.
Weidmann's definitely worth a visit. Full bar. Excellent food. Look, it may cost $1 or $2 more than the next place, but the food is 10 times better than the next place. So our review is, if you're in Meridian, you cannot miss Weidmann's.
At the front, one that will be really
Thank you to Morgana.
would be this right here. It's
Oh,
one of
look.
our original menus.
Oh,
Wow. An original menu. Hey, let's check the prices, what it was back then. Hey, it's not much more now.
It's not?
Not really. Not when you factor in inflation, right? Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Y'all have a blessed day.
You too. They said we could go upstairs and check it out. Have a bar up here and private dining area. So we're gonna check this out. Wondered if that was a mirror or a door. It's a mirror. Hi. Wow. 21 and over after 10 p.m. So here's the upstairs bar. Check this out. Look at the outdoor area. We gotta check this out. Is it open? Now this is cool. Now this is cool. Look at there, perfect parking. He parked just over there. This would be a great place to have an evening drink.
Wow.
At night with the cafe lights on, watching the traffic drive by. You can't beat this. absolutely. Great place.
These are like meeting rooms.
They have meeting rooms. The Felix room.
They're like meeting rooms. What you said?
So yeah, if you want to come here and have a meeting, special dinner, family reunion. And we can't leave you hanging on the peanut butter. The story goes, in the 1940s, during the war, butter was scarce. So a guest suggested, why not having peanut butter served with your crackers? And ever since then, Weidmann has served peanut butter with the crackers. They've kept that tradition going. I think that's great. And I think it's homemade peanut butter. They make it right here.
I'm downstairs, and I'm coming upstairs. You're coming downstairs, wondering if you're already upstairs in the
Sure.
All right. If you come by, as for Morgana, thank you guys so much for joining us on our adventure to Meridian, Mississippi, where we enjoyed the active, functional train depot, as well as the wonderfully delectable Weidmann's restaurant that's been here since 1870. We're going to end the day here, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.
Good night, everybody.
All right.